Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome back to another scripting video, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can make your very own kill part in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is obviously create your part instance under the workspace. Change your part color to whatever you want, make sure it's anchored like I just did there. Rescale it to whatever size you want. I'm going to make mine a bit longer and a bit taller. For that you need to go to the View tab and click Properties and Explorer. After that we're going to add a script instance under our part. We're going to rename our script, rename, kill script. I'm also going to rename our part, kill part. So the first thing we need to do in our script is set our damage variable. So local damage equals 1 times 1000. Now I know this equals 1000 damage, but it's just to make sure that if the player has more than 100 health that we still kill them. We need to detect if a player has touched a part. So how we do this is script parent touched. We're using the touched event. We're connecting a function to that. Our function parameter is hit. Drop a line. Once we've done that, we need to check if the thing that's hit the part or touched the part is a player. So let's do that. If hit, this is a conditional statement, dot parent colon find first child, in brackets and speech marks we put humanoid. Only players have a humanoid inside of them, so if it detects a humanoid then we know that it's a player. Make sure there's a space between there, and then we need to go hit dot parent dot humanoid dot health equals. Now for this, all we need to do is just copy and paste this, and then we can go minus damage. That should be our script. All we have to do now is click play. Alright, so I've located our part. If I just stand on it, as you can see, it killed my player. That's all I have time for this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If you found it interesting, leave a comment saying what you liked about it. But other than that, see you guys next time.